Okay, welcome to this short video about the Insta360 Link 2 Pro webcam and whiteboarding. You've got two options here for whiteboarding. One is the intelligent whiteboard, the other one is the classic one. Classic one can be used with 4 special recognition labels, which are attached to each single corner of your whiteboard. And I don't have them currently here, so I'm using the intelligent whiteboard. That means I need to use the controller app, and this is available for Windows and for macOS, Windows 11, 64-bit, not for ARM Copilot PCs. And then in the app, which you can just see right now, you can see that I can go and start whiteboarding. Let's start whiteboarding. Here, intelligent whiteboarding is already chosen. I click on whiteboarding. Now it's scanning my room. And this is currently out of focus, so I need to move with my Elgato Stream Deck directly here to it. And now the whiteboard is recognized immediately, and I can read what's written on the whiteboard. I can go to the whiteboard, clean it, write more, whatever you would like. But that's the way how I can use the whiteboard immediately. No effort to purchase a special whiteboarding camera. It's just part of your Insta360 Link 2 Pro experience. And of course, it can be controlled with the Elgato Stream Deck. In my cases, I use the Stream Deck to go to the whiteboard mode with one button, and then to find my whiteboard, I use other buttons here because the room is not very large, but it needs to find the whiteboard. Thanks for watching.